This is the parking lot to Beach 4. Beach 4 in Washington State. We're going to take a look at this. You see you have bathrooms here. And I'm pretty sure these are just like pit toilets and not flush toilets. All right, let's head out to the beach. You see they have trash cans here, which is kind of nice. You can dump your trash. Little trails. Let's take this one though. I think this heads to the beach. This is a pretty cool trail. So this is just south of Ruby Beach on the Washington coast. I think Ruby Beach is probably nicer than this. So I guess this is an overlook, so you can kind of like see what's going on down there. Really pretty, really beautiful, right? Just stunning, stunning.